I am very excited to be showing you guys these dog poop bags, earth rated green walker. These are absolutely incredible. With your purchase you'll get a whole bunch of these, over 500. As you can see, we have got a whole ton of them. We've already used up a lot, so you'll be getting a lot more than just this, but just an idea of what you can expect. And we put them into the smaller box as well, so you'll get a larger box. Just an idea. I'm going to show you guys how absolutely easy these things tear, because it is incredible. So let me just unroll this real quick, and then we just get to this tear section right here, and then you just go ahead and tear, and voila, it's literally so easy. My family loves these bags. They swear by them over any other dog poop bags, just because of how easily they tear, because it can be so annoying to have to go through and try to tear it like right before you need to pick up some feces, and these just work so incredibly well. They're also leak proof. Here is a closer look of them opened up. They are awesome, and it's also easy to open them. Like literally, these couldn't be easier bags.